Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your GTAV phone. To begin, simply press up on your D-pad or the corresponding key on your keyboard to bring up the device. Once it's on screen, you can navigate through the various applications using your D-pad or arrow keys. To select an app, press the button on Xbox, X on PlayStation, or the Enter key on your PC. It's a straightforward process that opens up many in-game possibilities. Your in-game phone comes packed with essential applications. The Contacts app is crucial for calling friends for activities, contacting mission givers, or requesting services like a taxi or mechanic. The Internet app lets you browse a wide range of websites, from purchasing new vehicles to investing in the stock market. Don't forget the quick GPS, which instantly sets a waypoint to the nearest important locations, saving you valuable time. Beyond the basics, your phone offers several advanced features. The Snapmatic app allows you to capture memorable moments and share them with the in-game community, much like a social media platform. You can also manage your finances directly through the Maze Bank app, checking your balance and making transactions. For a personal touch, customize your phone's appearance by selecting from a variety of themes and ringtones, making it truly yours. Here are a few tips and tricks to enhance your phone experience. To quickly end a call, simply press the B button on Xbox, circle on PlayStation, or the backspace key on your PC. If you prefer not to be interrupted, you can silence your phone by adjusting the settings to vibrate. Keep in mind that during specific missions or activities, your phone usage might be temporarily restricted, so always be aware of your surroundings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.